Hey, good morning, everybody. Dave here from Charest Studios. And today I wanted to do a review on my favorite seed company, Todds Seeds. And I buy all my seeds for microgreens from Todds Seeds. Their seeds are chemical-free, tested for pathogens, and mostly heirloom seeds, which means that if you grow the plant from an heirloom seed, you can collect the seeds and you'll grow the same plant. Whereas if you plant a hybrid vegetable or plant from a hybrid seed, when you collect the seeds from that plant, you will not get the same plant that you grew. It will be a variant of one of the two strains that made up the plant, from my understanding, but it will not be the same. So you want heirloom seeds if you want to be able to collect your own seeds and grow your own stuff again. Now I don't grow most of my micros and try to get seeds out of them, obviously, because I'm growing them for micros. But I do like using heirloom seeds, and I have collected some of my own kale seeds from growing the kale. So basically, yeah, this is. I am not sponsored by Todds Seeds. I have no affiliation with Todds Seeds. I just really like their products. Their seeds have been done very well for me. You know, they grow these are China rose radish, and I'm about to harvest these for my breakfast burrito that I'm going to have right after this video. So these actually were planted last out of all three of these. I have broccoli here in the front. This is a new one that I'm trying. They're a red acre cabbage. And I love the cabbage family, so I'm excited to try these. But anyway, the radish, if you want a really fast micro, this is your best bet is the radish, whether it be the China rose, the purple triton. Radishes are gonna really go quick. I think this is like 7 days. So like I say, it way out past these, even though it was planted behind them. So I think that's all I got to tell you guys about today. I also wanted to say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers this week. So thank you all so much for subscribing. And please let me know in the comments about what kind of videos you would like to see more as far as hydroponics. I'm out here in the studio, and I'm also going to be doing some videos with my art and some process videos. I know a lot of you, most of you here are here for the hydroponics and the gardening stuff. And I also want to share some of my recipes with some of the stuff I grow. But leave me some comments down below of what you guys would like to see videos of, and I'll do my best to try to do some of those. And let's see, I have anything else to tell you guys? I think that's it for today, folks. So thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day. Happy growing.